Wait, so we're painting the entire roof Milwaukee red for a 3-day event?
Right.
And this is with all the stores too.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna need more. Wait, so we're painting the entire roof. Daniel,
Hey, Josiah, what are you doing out here?
I finally finished.
I don't follow. You finished what?
The paint. I cleaned off all the paint from all 3 locations from the Milwaukee mega sale, and now I can see my family again.
Well, that's great.
Wait, what was that?
What was what?
Your face. You made a face.
Kind of like, yeah.
No, you made a, like, that kind of face.
Oh, that face. Do you know what the date is?
Is it 2025 already?
Yeah, it's the beginning of 2025.
The Milwaukee mega sale.
You know what that means? It's time to turn it all red again.
Well, guess I better get to it.
Have fun. Well, the Milwaukee Mega Sale is back at Paul B. Hardware for 2025, coming up March 6th through the 8th. Big deal again, we've got a big sale going on, 10% off all power tools, 15% off all accessories and hand tools, and 20% off all non-heated apparel. Besides all that, we've got big deals on kits and pack out. You can head over to paulbhardware.com to see all the details.